Look at here, kids. Now here we have write plus or minus in fill in the blanks. Means 4 by 9, 3 by 9. You have to put which sign that here it will be 7 by 9. Now here we have like fractions. As 9, 9, 9 denominator is same. Like fractions 7, 7, 7. Like fractions 8, 8, 8. Like fractions 12, 12. So these all are like fractions. Now 4 plus 3 we have 7. Yes. So we have to put plus. If we do 4 minus 3, it will be 1 by 9. So this is plus. Now 6 plus 1, that is 7. No, it is coming 5. Means 6 minus 1, it is 5. So you have to see numerators. What you have to see? Numerators. So 8 minus 1, 7. No, it is 9. So you have to write 8 plus 1. We have 9 by 10. This is right. So here again we have like fractions. So 7 minus 2. Yes. If we will do 7 plus 2, it will be 9 upon 12. So here we have 7 minus 2. Now 7 upon 13, 4 upon 13, 11. Means 7 minus 3, if we do minus 7 minus 4, it will be 3. If we will do plus, then 7 plus 4, it will be 11. So we have to see the numerator first. As here we have like fractions, so we will see numerator and then we will put the sign according to that. Problem sum is Anil completed 3 by 8 of his work in the afternoon and 2 by 8 of the work in the evening. Means some part Anil has completed in the afternoon and some part in the evening. Afternoon Anil has completed 3 by 8 part and in the evening Anil has completed 2 by 8 part. So they are saying how much work did he complete? Means total work. How much work did he complete? 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8. So we have to write solution for that. Anil completed 3 by 8 of his work in the evening. Simple sentence. Then Anil completed 2 by 8 of the work in the afternoon. Now Anil completed 3 by 8 of his work in the afternoon and 2 by 8 of the work in the evening. Means whole work is 8 by 8. But they are not saying how much work is left. Whole work is 1, means 8 by 8. But they are saying 3 by 8 part he has completed in the afternoon and 2 by 8 he has completed in the evening. So simple statement is here. Anil completed 3 by 8 of his work in the afternoon. So what he has done? Which part? 3 by 8. Then Anil completed 2 by 8 of the work in the evening. How much part? This much part. Now how much work did he complete? Means total part of work. Means 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8. So we have like fraction, addition of like fraction. Simple addition. 3 plus 2, 5 by 8. So how much work did he complete? He completed 5 by 8 part of the work. So here they are saying only simple addition. How much part? Means 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8. You have to do only addition of like fraction. So total he completed 5 by 8 part of the work. Now next word problem is Anuj did 1 by 4 of drawing in school and 2 by 4 of drawing at home. How much drawing did he do? Means one part he did in school and second part at home. How much drawing? We have to add 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. So statements are very simple from the question only. Part of drawing Anuj did in school is equal to 1 by 4. part of drawing he did at home is equal to 2 by 4. Now we have 1 by 4 plus 1, 2 by 4 means like fraction. 4, 4. 1 plus 2, simple addition, 3 by 4. You know 1 plus 2, 3. Whenever we have addition of like fraction, that is very simple. 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. So 1 plus 2, we have 3 by 4. Now what they are saying, how much drawing did he do? How much? 3 by 4 part of drawing. By 4 part of drawing Anuj did. So this is the answer. Simple addition. One part in school, second part at home. How much he do? How much he did? He did 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. So 3 by 4 part he did total. Here we have Sunita read 1 by 6 of a book on Saturday and 2 by 6 on Sunday. How much of the book did she read? Means this part, we have to add these two parts. So simple solution we have, simple statements. Part of a book Sunita read on Saturday, that is 1 by 6. Part of a book Sunita read on Sunday, that is 2 by 6. So they are saying how much of the book did she read? Means we have to add 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. As these are like fractions, denominator same, so no problem, simple division. 1 plus 2, 3 by 6 part. So what they are saying, how much of the book did she read? 3 by 6 part of the book Sunita read. Means whenever we have addition of like fractions or subtraction of like fractions, 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6, simple addition. Numerator, add both the numerators. 1 plus 2, that is 3 by 6. So always take care for that. If we have subtraction, then simple subtraction. If we have subtraction of like fractions, simple numerator subtraction. And if we have addition of like fractions, then 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6, simple 1 plus 2, we have 3 by 6. 3 by 6 part of the book Sunita read. Always take care first denominator. If denominator is same, it means that we have simple division. Then we have simple division. So these are like fractions, 1 plus 2, 3 by 6 part. Now what again, your last line answer sentence is in your question. How much of the book she read? 3 by 6 part of the book Sunita read.